everyone. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you checked your phone?
Maybe 5 minutes ago?
5 minutes ago?
Okay, maybe 1 minute ago.
That's honest.
Yes, very honest.
Today, we are talking about something very real, something we all do every day. We are talking about online life.
Yes, online life. Social media, messages, emails, video calls, comments, likes.
And sometimes a little stress.
Yes, sometimes a lot of stress.
But don't worry. Today, we will talk about online life in a calm way, a friendly way, a simple way.
We will learn useful English, simple English, English you can use every day.
And we will practice speaking slowly.
So take a deep breath
Relax your shoulders.
and let's begin.
Emma, what does online mean?
Good question. Online means connected to the internet. When you use your phone, your computer, or your tablet to go on the internet, you are online.
Yes, when you are not connected to the internet, you are offline.
Online, offline.
Repeat after us. Online,
Online,
offline.
offline.
Very good.
Emma, do you spend a lot of time online?
Yes, I do. I check messages, I read the news, I watch videos, I talk to friends.
Me too. I work online, I relax online, I learn online.
That is modern life.
Yes, modern life means life today, life in this time.
And today, many people live two lives.
Two lives.
Yes, their real life and their online life.
Ah, I understand. Real life is the life outside the screen.
Yes, outside the screen, in the real world.
And online life is the life on the screen.
Exactly.
Let's practice a sentence. I spend a lot of time online.
Repeat after us. I spend a lot of time online.
I spend a lot of time online.
Good. Now say, I try to spend less time online.
I try to spend less time online.
Very good.
Emma, what do people usually do online?
Many things. They send messages, they post pictures, they watch videos, they play games, they shop, they study.
Yes. Let's talk about post. What does post mean?
Post means to put something online. For example, you post a photo, you post a comment, you post a video.
So if I take a picture of my coffee and I share it on social media, I post it.
Yes, you post it.
Repeat after us. I posted a photo.
I posted a photo.
Good.
Emma, do you post a lot?
Not really.
What does not really mean?
Not really means not much, not very often.
Good explanation.
Thank you.
I post sometimes, but I don't post every day.
Some people post every day.
Some people post every hour.
That is true.
Let's talk about social media.
Yes, social media is websites and apps where people share photos, videos, and messages.
And they connect with other people.
Connect means to join, to link, to be in contact.
Very good. Repeat after us. Connect.
Connect.
I connect with my friends online.
I connect with my friends online.
Nice.
Emma, do you think online life is good or bad?
That is a big question.
Yes, a big question.
I think online life can be good. It helps us talk to people far away.
Yes, far away means not close.
For example, if your friend lives in another country, you can still talk every day.
That is amazing.
But online life can also be stressful.
Yes, stressful means it makes you feel stress.
For example, too many messages, too many notifications.
Ah, yes, notifications. A notification is a message or sound that tells you something new happened.
Like when your phone makes a sound. Ding.
Yes, that is a notification. Repeat after us. Notification.
Notification.
I got a notification.
I got a notification.
Very good.
Tom, how do you feel when you get many notifications?
Honestly, sometimes tired.
Why?
Because I feel I must answer quickly.
Ah, you feel pressure.
Yes, pressure means a strong feeling that you must do something.
That is common in online life.
Yes, sometimes we feel we must reply immediately.
Reply means to answer.
Repeat after us. Reply.
Reply.
I will reply later.
I will reply later.
Good. Here's a useful sentence. Sorry for the late reply.
Very useful. Repeat after us. Sorry for the late reply.
Sorry for the late reply.
You can use this in emails and messages.
Yes, very polite.
Speaking of polite, let's talk about online manners.
Good idea.
Online manners means how we behave online.
Like saying please and thank you.
Yes, being kind, being respectful.
Respectful means showing respect.
Exactly.
For example, if someone shares good news, you can say, congratulations.
Repeat after us. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
If someone shares sad news, you can say, I'm sorry to hear that.
Tom, repeat after us. I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Very good.
Online life is still real life,
Yes, real people, real feelings.
so we must be careful with our words.
Words are powerful.
Very powerful.
Let's do a small role play.
Okay,
I will post something. You respond.
sounds good.
I just started the new job today.
Congratulations, that's wonderful news.
Very nice.
Now you respond to this. I feel tired today. Work is hard.
I hope you can rest soon. Take care of yourself.
That is kind.
Yes, online kindness is important.
What would you say in these situations? Think about it.
Pause for a moment.
Imagine your friend says, I passed my exam.
What would you say?
Maybe, I'm so proud of you.
Yes, that is great.
Repeat after us. I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
Good job.
Emma, let's talk about online shopping.
Oh, yes.
Many people shop online.
Yes, to shop means to buy things.
Online shopping is very easy.
Maybe too easy.
Yes, sometimes we buy things we don't need.
That happens.
Useful sentence. I ordered it online.
I ordered it online.
I ordered it online.
Order means to ask for something to be delivered to you.
Delivered means brought to your home.
Very good.
Emma, do you read reviews before you buy something?
Yes, I do.
A review is an opinion about a product.
For example, this phone is great. That is a review.
Or, the quality is not good. That is also a review.
Repeat after us. Review.
Review.
I read the reviews.
I read the reviews.
Excellent.
Let's talk about online friends.
Yes, that is interesting.
Some people have friends they only know online.
Yes, they meet in games, in forums, in social media groups.
A forum is a place online where people discuss topics.
Good word.
Repeat after us. Forum.
Forum.
Emma, do you think online friends are real friends?
I think they can be.
Why?
Because feelings are real. Conversations are real.
That's true.
But we must also be careful.
Yes, safety is important.
Do not share personal information with strangers.
Personal information means your address, phone number, bank details.
Yes, be safe.
Repeat after us. Stay safe online.
Stay safe online.
Good.
Let's practice a small conversation between two people who meet online.
Okay.
I will start.
Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Anna. I'm Jake. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Spain.
Simple, friendly, polite.
Yes, short sentences are good.
Beginner English is powerful.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about video calls.
Yes, video calls are when you talk to someone and see them on the screen.
Like a face-to-face conversation, but online.
Face-to-face means in person.
But online, it is through the camera.
Useful sentence. Can you hear me?
Repeat after us. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Another one. Your microphone is off.
Repeat after us. Your microphone is off.
Very useful.
Also, you're on mute.
That is common.
On mute means your microphone is silent.
Many people talk, but they are on mute.
Yes, they speak, but nobody hears them.
That can be funny.
A little embarrassing, too.
Embarrassing means you feel shy or uncomfortable.
Repeat after us. Embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
Emma, I think we should talk about online comments.
Yes, comments can be kind or not kind.
A comment is something you write under a post.
Sometimes comments are positive.
Positive means good and supportive.
Sometimes comments are negative.
Negative means not good, critical.
If you read a negative comment, how do you feel?
Sometimes sad.
Yes, words can hurt.
Hurt means cause pain.
Even online words can hurt.
That is why we should think before we write.
Good advice.
Here is a polite way to disagree online.
Oh, that's useful.
Instead of saying, you are wrong, you can say, I see it differently.
Very polite.
Repeat after us. I see it differently.
I see it differently.
Another one. I understand your point, but I have a different opinion.
That sounds respectful.
Yes, respect is important.
What would you say if someone disagrees with you online?
Think about it.
Maybe say, thank you for sharing your thoughts.
That is calm and mature.
Mature means grown up and wise.
Very nice.
Emma, let's talk about spending too much time online.
Yes, this is very common.
Some people scroll for hours.
Scroll means to move up and down on the screen.
Repeat after us. Scroll.
Scroll.
I scroll on my phone.
I scroll on my phone.
Sometimes we scroll and scroll and scroll.
And time passes quickly.
Very quickly.
You look at the clock and think, oh no.
It's midnight.
Yes.
Here is a useful phrase. I lost track of time.
Repeat after us. I lost track of time.
I lost track of time.
That means you did not notice the time.
Because you were busy online.
Exactly.
Let's do a small practice.
Okay.
I say a situation, you say a sentence.
Ready.
You watched videos for 3 hours.
I lost track of time.
Perfect.
Now your turn.
Okay.
You forgot to answer a message.
Sorry for the late reply.
Excellent.
Emma, do you ever take a break from social media?
Yes, sometimes I take a break.
A break means a rest.
Repeat after us. I need a break.
I need a break.
Taking a break is healthy.
Healthy means good for your body and mind.
Sometimes it is good to go offline.
Yes, to turn off your phone.
To go outside.
To talk to people face to face.
That balance is important.
Balance means not too much and not too little.
Repeat after us. I need more balance.
I need more balance.
Good.
Let's talk about online learning.
Yes, many people learn English online.
Like you, listening right now.
Yes, thank you for listening.
Online learning is flexible.
Flexible means you can choose your time.
You can study in the morning or at night.
You can pause. You can repeat.
Repeat after us. I am learning English online.
I am learning English online.
Great job.
Online life gives us many chances.
Chances means opportunities.
Opportunities to learn, to connect, to grow.
Grow means improve and become better.
Very nice.
But we must use it wisely.
Wisely means in a smart way.
Repeat after us. Use the internet wisely.